Hello. There are lots of kinds of reflexes, and I would like to tell you about this example of a reflex. After there is a stimulus, let's say for example it is a stimulus of pain. This stimulus must be perceived, and pain is perceived by me, a sensory neuron. And after I perceive this stimulus, I then carry the message to the central nervous system. So me, the sensory neuron, I am serving as both the receptor and the transport to the central nervous system. I then communicate with an interneuron which processes and analyzes this